Most people think Vaseline is just that basic product sitting in your grandma's drawer. But what if I told you it's actually one of the most underrated tools for leveling up your appearance? Yes, one simple jar, multiple upgrades. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Vaseline hacks that can instantly improve how you look, smell, and feel. And here's the best part. If you watch till the end, you won't need to waste money on expensive grooming products anymore. Let's jump right in. Number 1, fragrance. Every guy wants to smell good, but let's be honest, even the most expensive perfumes fade away in a few hours. Now imagine this, a scent that lasts all day. Here's the trick. Heat about a liter of water, then place an unopened jar of Vaseline inside it. Let it melt completely. Once melted, take it out and allow it to cool slightly. Now spray your favorite perfume directly into the liquid Vaseline. The more sprays, the stronger the scent. Mix it gently, then put it in the fridge for around 3 hours. Once it solidifies, apply a small amount on your pulse points, your neck, wrists, and collarbone. This locks in the fragrance and releases it slowly throughout the day. Congratulations! You just upgraded your scent game permanently. Number 2, eyebrows. Small detail, massive impact. Strong, well-groomed eyebrows make your face look sharper, cleaner, and more confident. Thin or messy brows? They do the opposite. Rub a tiny amount of Vaseline between your fingers and lightly brush it through your eyebrows in the direction of hair growth. It instantly makes them look thicker, healthier, and naturally styled, without gels or extra products. Number 3, hair control. If your hair gets frizzy or refuses to stay in place, this is for you. Take the smallest amount of Vaseline, rub it into your palms, and gently smooth it over your hair. Your hair will look shinier, softer, and more put together. Just don't overdo it. This is grooming, not a grease festival. Number 4, lips. Dry, cracked lips ruin your entire look. Here's a simple fix. Brush your teeth first, then dip your toothbrush into coconut oil and gently exfoliate your lips. This removes dead skin and boosts blood flow. Finish by applying a thin layer of Vaseline. Boom! Soft, healthy lips with zero effort. Number 5, dark circles. Late nights, stress, screens. We've all been there. Before sleeping, apply a small amount of Vaseline under your eyes. It deeply moisturizes and helps the skin repair overnight. In the morning, wash your face and use ice or cold water to reduce puffiness. Stay consistent, and you will see the difference. So with just 1 jar of Vaseline, you can smell better, look sharper, and feel more confident without expensive routines. Now you know the secret. Use it and subscribe to the channel if you want to grow your personality.